Hump Day Minute is here, presented by Domino's. I'm Tim McDonald. Just 6 conference games left in softball and 1 month away from the start of the baseball championship. Weekly awards continue to roll along. Let's start in softball, where James Madison's Jalen Ford was named the Player of the Week after a near-flawless weekend at the plate, where she helped the Dukes sweep Delaware en route to clinching the CAA regular season title. The senior went 6 for 7 overall, including a double, 2 home runs, 6 runs scored, and 3 RBI. 2 pitchers were honored this week, starting with College of Charleston Samantha Martin. The junior picked up 2 wins and a save over 3 appearances, along with a 0.95 ERA. UNCW's Peyton Jordan was stout over 15.2 innings of work, as the righty went 1-0 and grabbed 1 save during UNCW's 3-1 week. She's the first Seahawk pitcher since 2006 to win 13 or more games in a single season. Fellow Hawk Haley Lenderman was the Rookie of the Week, posting a 1-1 record in the circle and a 1.75 ERA. We'll stay with UNCW, moving on to baseball now, as Nick Fight stayed hot at the plate, earning Player of the Week recognition. The righty batted .538 with 4 homers, 2 doubles, 8 runs scored, and 9 RBI as UNCW went 4-0. Fight currently owns 25 more RBI than any other player in the conference. Elon's Nick Zamorelli was also tapped Player of the Week, hitting .636 with 3 doubles, a triple, 2 homers, 12 runs scored, and 13 RBI as the Phoenix went 4-1. Nick Brown of William & Mary was the Pitcher of the Week after giving up 4 hits over 8 shutout innings while striking out 8, as William & Mary defeated Northeastern 2-0 in a series opener last Friday. Elon's Ryan Ogren rounds out the awards with the rookie honor, belting 2 homers, scoring 10 runs, and driving in 7 last week. Once again, Bobby B is back tomorrow to wrap up the week. I'm out.